2020 proved to be a great disappointment for Rankireddy and Shetty. On a high from putting up the best performances their previous year, the pair had to contend with a season dramatically cut short by the COVID-19 pandemic, and then Rankireddy testing positive for coronavirus.
So initially, for me, it's more frustrating for me. I was affected with virus, so everything, my body shape and all, everything changed. I was training pretty good last 6 months. Then again, in the period of 25 days, 1 month, everything got changed. Then again, I have to start from starting. So I didn't had time, less time I had for Thailand Open. I was not in shape. I can't able to play 100%. I can't able to hit smash. So I became very weak. So I became very fat. I can't able to move. I can't able to jump. If I'm jumping more than 10 or 12, I'm getting knee pain. So there was a lot of things in my mind going on before Thailand Open. Then it took me 2 months to get back in shape. I was doing only training for 2 months. So that period was very frustrating. I was not playing on court. I was watching everyone playing. So I was little bit frustrated, what I'm doing. I need to play in the top level. I'm still here. I'm very back. So very frustrating, but yeah, so 2020 is changed everything, not only for me, for everything. Many ordinary people has also have faced. So it's not only for me. So I thought this, maybe it's positive, something was going good will happen later.
Not just me, everybody was affected by the lockdown, the virus, everything. And initially, I think the first 2 months of lockdown was definitely tough. Because I remember I was doing the online training with everybody. We were doing that online training together at our homes, and the last week of May, I had zero motivation to do it, and I was just waking up at 11 in the morning. And but luckily in June, I was allowed to train at the nearby stadium, and that's how I started playing. And I think just going onto the court and playing badminton gave me the motivation, and I just getting out of our house felt really good, and I think that was the motivation I had, and it went on until October. Unfortunately, we were going to play the Danish Open as well, but unfortunately we couldn't because Satvik was down with COVID. So, but yeah, I think that practice which started in June really helped me. Got my motivation back.
However, there was a silver lining, as the Badminton Association of India appointed Matthias Boe as a men's doubles coach at the start of 2021 to help the players find success on the big stage more consistently. And although it's still a work in progress, Rankireddy and Shetty are beginning to see change.
As you know, we are working with a new coach, Matthias Boe. We've played against him, and now he's coaching us, and I think we've been trying some new stuff, and it's still early days, but I think in a month or two we'll hopefully get used to it and get some new things in our armor.
So it's mentally a mind game for us. We never used to it before. We had, as I told, we had Asian coaches most of the time. So it's with European player coach now. So but it's pretty new for us. The strategy, the way he thinks, what we want to play or what opponents will play. So when his strategy is good, when we are playing in his strategy, we are getting points. Then we are a little bit hesitating to play the old strategy or the new ones. So we want to stick to the plan. So he said believe me. So it will take time, but in the long run, may you get good medals or good tournaments you will win. So we need to believe the coach present, and we need to get back, and we need to try a few more things, and we have to correct it.
Never lose hope. I think what the last year has taught us, that the human race, I think however bad the situation is, we always find a way to get back, and that the only thing that matters is to just believe, to have the belief in yourself, and to never lose hope.